Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I wanted to share a ultimate or a reborn new life plastic version for GameKiddy 350H. Okay, keep stay with me. Don't because this console is a old console or already outdated, then you just skip and go away. Actually, for today's video, not only for the hardware upgrade for this GKD350H, I also would like to share with yours a newest OS operating system for GKD350H. Yes, you hear me right. It's a new OS for this old console. So if you're keen to know more about this modding, keep watching until end. If not, you may just jump to the new OS part. You can get the timestamp from the description. Okay, before we move forward, let's recap the specification for this console. CPU is X1830. Actually, it's the same CPU with the latest GameKiddy product GKD Mini. Display is come with 3.5-inch 320x240 resolution IPS screen without any screen lens. Charging by micro USB, a 3.5 headphone socket. Button come with D-pad, LBRY, start select, and only come with LR, means that L1 R1 trigger button only, is without L2 R2 button. And last is slider stick, not those analog stick like Nintendo Switch or PS Vita stick. Battery is 2300 mAh. SD card slot come with 2 slots. One slot is hidden behind the battery for operating system, and another one is on top of the console for ROMs or games. For this console, operating system is closed source. This is the why most people hate and don't like this console. Okay, let's go for the upgrade I have done for this console. Display screen changed to OCA laminated 3.5-inch IPS screen. Add with L2 R2 3D print buttons. Replace the slider stick with PS Vita original 2000 analog stick, and battery replaced with 2920 mAh battery for longer gaming. Actually, this is the console that custom ordered by my friend Chris. He had been wait for almost a month for it, as I really busy and too many stuff to follow up. Let's have a look for the trigger button modifying. For this L2 R2, actually I do shoot a video before and show how I do it. You may refer the link pop up now from the right hand side. With a custom trigger board and wire with 2 wires. For PS Vita, modifying is hard by using an additional connector board. Need to replace total of 4 tiny resistors and connect total of 6 wires. The original screen is just inside the cell case without any screen lens. After laminated the screen, you need to enlarge or file by a tool, remove all the screen frame, and lastly by using some help of the grooves to hold the screen properly. This is the black cell case that's supposed to fix into this console, but I had screwed it up, break the cell case. So no choice, had to replace with blue color cell case. Okay, now let's move on to the new operating system. Power on the console. IUX IX logo. This is still beta testing version and not released yet. This OS just released on 29 April 2021. Actually, this is done by the same 3-person from GKD Mini OS team. Now GKD have a better operating system with better themes or skin. The language English for this operating system are not in full English. Hopefully they can hear me or saw my this video, and we no need to translate with additional work for this new OS. For this new OS also come with newer version emulator and also add new emulators such as NDS, FPN. Here is some standalone games. Okay, let's have some games testing. How do you think? Yes, GKD350H is not a new console, if you compare with RG350, it does missing a lot, especially when this console have a better CPU, but unfortunately is cold source, and also the creator let me feel like not so take care of it. That's why make this console lost a lot of fans. But for those fans who really enjoy or like this console, they know how good actually this GKD is. So I hope with this new OS it able to compensate us who had support this GKD 350H long time ago. Hope to see their stable release version with tons of new improvement for the new IUX operating system. If you like this video, please do share it to your fans. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next round.